Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to change your Facebook location settings. Let's start by opening the Facebook app, and then selecting those three lines in the top right-hand corner. And after you're in Settings and Privacy, what you want to do is go down to Permissions and tap the second option, Location. After that, go to Device Settings and tap Android Settings, which will take you to your app's information page. And go ahead and pick Permissions, then Location, and you'll be able to easily configure it to allow all the time, allow only when you're using the app, or deny. I generally just press when using the app, so when I'm not using Facebook, this doesn't utilize any location-based services. The second method to get your location is to go to your settings page, enter location in the top search bar, and then click on that. From there, you can choose which apps you want to allow or deny access to your location. You can, for example, pick Facebook again to go to the location access screen that we were on before. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any additional questions, please post them in the comments section below.